This is Ethan Hoffman with eXp Realty. Today I'm in Babcock Ranch checking out their new townhomes built by ParkSquare in the community called TownWalk. Today I'm going to take a video of the Reagan floor plan. The Reagan has 3 bedrooms, 2 baths, 2-car garage, and is size of 1737 square feet, priced in the mid 300s. ParkSquare is currently offering low interest rates at 3.99% and all closing costs. Please call me at 931-436-5507 for more information. Thank you. Be sure to check out my Facebook group called Inside Babcock Ranch, where I post tours of the model homes, builder incentives, and resale homes, and other information about the community. If you like this video, please hit the like button, comment, and subscribe.